live with VIP. We had a great day in the market.
Alright guys, I'm live right now. I just entered a NASDAQ short. Boom, I'm out. Click 300.
Everything was broken down live.
I just took a short on GBP JPY. There we go guys. Got the break that we're looking for. It's sizing up crazy next one. Today was another good day in the market.
We are back. It's Monday morning. I'm on the road right now. I finished trading live with VIP. We had a great day in the market. Caught a NASDAQ short. Everything was broken down live. So yeah guys, this week I will continue documenting everything that I've been doing. I will continue to show you guys the progress of my accounts. I want to close this month big and I want to document everything. I'm excited to get this course out. I'm working on my trading course that will be available to you guys soon. If you haven't already, join my VIP trading group. I'm live trading every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. Link is in the description or in my bio. See you guys inside.
See y'all on the other side.
But I won't trade. Alright guys, I'm live right now. I just entered a NASDAQ short. Boom, I'm out. Click 300. I just took a short on GBP JPY. There we go guys. Got the break that we're looking for. Alright guys, I'm closing this trade around 240 in profit.
Jeez.
Oh, clean. We're sizing up crazy next month.
We outside, man. Another day in the life.
Yeah, another day in the life.
About to do a shoot for the new vet. New vet added to the fleet. You know the vibes, man. We working. Look who it is, guys.
What?
Limitless Joe in the flesh.
Let's go, bro.
This is my boy Frost. Frost, this is Limitless Joe. He's one of the goats. I had to put him on the vlog real quick. Get that camera out my face.